dancing has been a main part of Jamaica's culture. Today, we have the baddest dance crew of Jamaica right now, Uprising, the Too Cool dancers. Dancers! Oh, the man that beat up dancing dynamite, wicked. Too Cool dancers. Ghost, go on.
There, man, there, you know.
First and foremost, introduce yourself.
Yes, you don't know, a Ghost Too Cool, you know.
Kevin Too Cool.
Sean Too Cool. It's a match is Too Cool.
One and only Etta Too Cool, you know.
So Ghost right now over the years, so now take over the place. Get myself from the north coast to the south coast to the east to the west, though.
Naturally.
So right now I want to know how you start off this journey, you know, my father?
Alright, so what you know? Well, in the community, I actually see it. Because I see Etta Too Cool, you know, a long time she had do it. So we used to watch her and sit down there, I watch her, I say, no man, I have to do this. In 2015, me and Sean Too Cool, we actually start watch videos on YouTube. You know, and we just practice, but then we start discover a lot of talented dancers. So we say, alright, we've got to expand the group more, and we just start hard. Alright,
so basically, you learn the moves, you learn stuff as a teacher, right?
Yeah, man, naturally.
So what you know? From there now, we're seeing a dance on the mic. Let me know the process, why? Oh, yeah,
alright.
Actually reach this right now.
Alright, so what you know? As we say, we in the streets, so we see what going. We see a lot of dancers walking around with pan campaigning. We start do research, ask what this is all about. Them say dancing dynamite. We still see it on TV also. So we say, alright, then we can win this, you know. So we just start putting in the work, and just from there we just not top until we reach the top. You get what I'm saying? Naturally.
Win dancing dynamite.
Yeah, man. 2019 dancing dynamite winner, man.
Yeah, man. So it was an experience, right before COVID.
Yeah, man. Experience was good also because we actually even get the chance to teach the Miami Dolphins cheerleader, you know.
The Miami Dolphins.
Yeah, man.
So it's sweet, man. The respect cool stuff.
Natural, man.
Dances were created over the years now. Like, we want to know a few, because a lot of time we talk to dancers and we realize, you know, there's a couple moves and steps out there where people actually have different names for her, different, you know. But because dances are really up on top, we don't know, say, what, them create that. So give me a couple of dance steps where you actually.
We have a dance move called Naturally. We have a dance move, Move Up, Well Cool.
So, what different about the Too Cool dancers from all the other dances?
We are very creative, determined. So, always going to stand out based on how we take our craft serious.
I want to know the mindset, I want to create them dance moves. I want to decide, say, yo, watch you know, that step I have to go here, that foot I have to go here, so.
Basically, when we build a vibe with each other, that is where most of the dance moves build.
It's a teamwork. Yeah. So teamwork make the dream work. So we go so and say, alright, watch ya. Me go so. And it say, yo, hold on, you know, say if I go so and so, you can work then Sean we say, and then you can put that, you know, and you have matches or Tev a dance here. Right now in my community, you know, we have the whole community dancing, you know.
Sense me.
Right now.
Finally goes, what makes Too Cool dancers intense?
Don't know, you know, creativity. That make we intense.
Man, so creativity lead the road.
Yeah,
one
man.
goes Too Cool. Too Cool dancers. Yo, respect, you know. Yes, man.
Naturally.
Active, man. See that now? Check them out.
It's time